I welcome you all to MOOC's course entitled Community Engagement and Social Responsibility. We will be discussing Unit 1 titled Community Engagement. Unit 1 has been divided into two modules. Today, we will be discussing Module 2 of Unit 1 titled Local Community, Rural Culture and Practice of Community Engagement. In the seventh part of Module 2, we will study about the community economic condition and social networks. In the previous part, we studied about the purpose of community engagement. Now, the community economic condition, how it works. The community economic development is a method of promoting local resources in a long-term manner. About the community economic condition or the economic development. So, you will have to promote the local resources in long-term manner. Then community economic development is always ready to help local communities to overcome challenges and expand their chances. So, here the community economic development which is working for this purpose, they are always taking care of the challenges and they are always trying to provide the more and more facilities to expand the particular businesses opportunity or the skill. So, it is a community centered social and economic development approach that aims to improve communities' economic, social, ecological and cultural well. So, when we are talking about the development of the rural society or the rural community, that means we are talking about overall development, and overall development is possible once we are talking in terms of education, in terms of economic condition, in terms of social, in terms of ecological and the cultural aspect. Culture also will have to enhance. So, this is economic. Now, community social network is playing very important role here for the upliftment or the development of this. So, basically it supports a local charity with financial contributions. Suppose some local charity is required, so from where the finance will come? So, financial contribution, they are finding out the various sponsors. Suppose we are organizing a local event just to educate the people about the health care or about the sanitation. Very simple example we are taking. In a rural community, people are not aware about the proper sanitation facilities. So, once the urban people or the NGOs or the community engagement comes in this terms that they are going to educate the people about the proper sanitation system. So, for that purpose, they need to arrange a local event like we can understand in terms of the Nukkad Natak or other thing. So, for that purpose, there are some finance requirement is also required. So, who is going to sponsor that particular event? So, all those people who are willing for the development, they want to work something for the development of this society, they will work. So, that we are saying due to the social networking, you are making the people aware that we are organizing this event for the benefit of this particular group of people. Please come forward or whatever help you can provide. So, that is the kind of sponsorship we are getting. Then community social network also works. It organizes the cleanup events. Now, various cleanup events are going on. Then volunteers in local schools or community projects, they are working. They people coming forward in terms of the volunteers, and they are willing to work for the upliftment of this society. It supports the charities, okay, that were chosen by your staff. It also encourages staff to volunteer for community activities. Like you must have seen, we take the example of our the Dayalbag Educational Institute. So, what our institute is doing? The institute encourages the staff or staff also to volunteer or to participate in the community activities, which is in terms of by organizing the medical camp for the benefit of the rural community on regular basis. So, every Sunday we used to organize the medical camp where all the rural villages people, remote people from village remote areas are coming, and for that purpose also the transportation also we are providing, because first we need to attract, we need to give them the we need to show that importance or the comfort. You don't have to come here by your own. We are going, we are picking them, we are giving the transportation facility, they are coming to the medical centers, and there they are going through with the various medical checkups also, or they are getting the free cost medicines also, and their children are also getting the chance to participate in so many the entertainment activities as well as educational activity. So what happened here? The institute encourages the staff to volunteer for community activity. So maximum number of teachers used to go there and they are volunteering for this community development activities. You think? And it also helps employees to make tax-free donations to charity. That is also important. So this is all working due to or with the help of community social network. So what we mean to say that if we want to develop the rural society or the rural community, people needs to come in front and help with the help of the community engagement or by their own social network system. So, in this part, we studied about the community economic condition and social networks. So, at the end, in module 2, we have discussed about the rural culture and the characteristics of rural places, features of rural community development, and the various changes which took place in Indian rural lifestyle and health facilities available in rural areas. We have also discussed about the various rural development schemes of the government and the purpose of community engagement, community economic condition and social networks. So what we can conclude that in this particular lecture we have learned about the concept of rural culture and their various characteristics. We also learned the concept and aim of rural community development, how it works. We learn about the various initiatives or schemes for the rural development and these initiatives which are taken by the government, and we understood the purpose of community engagement at large, how it works. Okay, so by this we end with the unit 1. Thank you.